way I stepped down the stage there was, could you turn them away down a bit? I know I'm getting old, but I'm not getting deaf. You hear what about the wee man? Well, there's how you are now. The wee man walking along the road in County Cavan. The wee man was walking along the road in County Cavan like this here. Just that Fermanagh man was in. Is anybody in from Fermanagh? Yeah! When the Fermanagh man time just stops whenever you go up there. And you walk over into Cavan. The wee man was out for down there like this here, down along the road like this here. That would have been his speed. Just one leg past down. But all of a sudden, he went and he bent over and he walked on, you see, just like this here. He's watching it. But just as he bent over, the big guardy car came around the corner. The sergeant says to me, we constable, he says, did you see that? We constable says, I did. He says, that man's hurt his back. He says, burn that car around. He says, burn the car around and go up alongside him, and he still was walking along, the wee man, you see. And the big sergeant was on the window, he said, how are you doing? The talk slow up there too, like the Fermanagh man. The wee boy, the wee man said, I'm doing fine. And the big sergeant said, are you sure? He said, I'm sure. Why? He says, we were coming around the corner, he says, we saw you walking nice and straight, and he says, you bent over, and he says, I thought you'd hurt your back. He says, Sergeant, my back is fine, and thank you kindly for coming back to see about me. The big sergeant says, well, he says, sir, he says, sir, he says, sir, he says, there's nothing wrong with your back. He says, would you mind telling me why you're walking like that? He says, Sergeant, it's simple. He says, the sign back there says, bends for half a mile. I don't know what number to go to. Cattle call, look up there and see what cattle call is. It's the same thing. Is any farmers in? Take a quick look at them boys used to familiar theirs. And then milk, beef and hens rolling through the floor. Did you get cattle call? You did? Oh, it's there, number 13, 14 or 15 or something like that. Seen a woman here I haven't seen in years and years go by. She come from our part of the country, this Linda girl sitting up here at the front. I haven't seen her for years. Oh, that's it. The minute I saw her, it just brought back memories. I'll tell you now, Will, he's telling us, I mind one night out curtain in the wee Maghera 1000 car. Who minds the wee Maghera 1000 car? Put your hand up. Why there was some car for curtain? Now I tell you the truth, I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer. You know that name now, like I'm not the sharpest, but that girl that I was out that night, she mustn't have been even in the drawer. I had given her 2 or 3 lovely kisses, big long smackers of kisses, and the moon was beaming in on her wee eyes, and I says to her, well darling, I says, do you want to get into the back? Actually she know, can I rather stay in the front with you?